This video will show you how you might use mind maps in NVivo. Let's suppose I'm beginning my analysis of my interviews in the Environmental Change Down East project, and I'm thinking about some coding I'd like to do related to economic issues. The mind map can help me think visually about what these nodes might be, and then help me turn my ideas into nodes automatically when I'm ready. Let's begin by creating a new mind map here on the Explore tab. The mind map opens with a central idea, and I can begin by giving a name to this. I'll call it Economy. Now, as I begin to think about the different aspects of the economy down east, I'll create a child idea for tourism. I'll give tourism a sibling idea, which I'll call agriculture. I'll create one more sibling called fishing. All three of these are things I can see as different aspects of the economy. Now I'm beginning to think that the decline of the fishing industry is a major economic issue in the area, but I'm not sure if it should be a child idea of fishing, so I'm going to create it as a floating idea and give it some more thought. On the Mind Map tab, I have more options for formatting. I can experiment with different layouts, as well as change the colour or style of the boxes I've selected. I can also use resize to equalise the size of the shapes. I'd like to represent recreational fishing as it's an important activity down east. Maybe it should be a child idea of tourism. Now I think again, it's not just tourists who fish for fun. So I'll cut this idea, click in an empty space, and now paste it. Now it's another floating idea. I think I'd like to begin working with these ideas as nodes. So I click Create as Nodes or Cases. Then I select, in my Nodes folder, the Themes folder, then click OK. If I head over to that folder, as I view these nodes, I can access each node's properties to add a description. And, as you know from our earlier lessons, I can move these nodes around as the hierarchy becomes clearer to me. Since this might become an important step in the evolution of my coding, I might want to select the map items and then copy to paste these into a memo. Or I can right-click in the empty area of a map to export the map as an image file, which I can then insert into a presentation or document. Now you can try creating a map to explore some connected ideas in your project.